how to log in Minecraft on PC. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log in Minecraft on your PC. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system, and after you open that you'll have to visit the official website of Minecraft, which will be like minecraft.net. And after you come on the official website of Minecraft, you'll be able to see such interface, and now from there you'll have to log in with your Microsoft or Minecraft account. So if you have not any account, you'll have to create a new account from there. And after you created your account, you'll have to download the Minecraft game on your PC by the payment process. So after you paid the payment and download the Minecraft on your PC, you'll have to just open it. Okay, so from this interface, you'll have to log in with your username and password. So if you have forgotten your password, you can also go the option forgot password. And after you added username and password here, you'll have to just tap on this login option. And from there, you'll be able to log in with your Minecraft account on your PC. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.